Somizi unfollows his husband Mohale on social media. Media personality Somizi Longo Motong has unfollowed his husband, Mohale Motong Longo, on social media. The move comes just as the pair spent the long Easter weekend with their respective friends. Somizi joined his BFF Vusi over at an Easter gig. The Asfalilanga singer headlined at the all-white Easter Soulful Picnic at the Azania Junction Pub and Grill on Sunday. Mohale also spent the weekend with friends in and around Johannesburg. Somizi is not following his husband on Instagram or Twitter anymore. While fans of the couple have questioned the status of their relationship lately, the duo has kept mostly mum. Fans asked why they were not posting pictures together and were quick to note that Mohale does not wear his wedding ring anymore. Mohale last posted a picture of himself and Somizi in December last year. Earlier this year, Somizi spoke candidly about his marriage and hitting the one-year challenge mark. The Idol's SA judge, who has publicly spoken about the challenges of marriage before, said he and Mohale experienced good and bad patches in their relationship. It's exactly like any other relationship, it's got its ups and its downs, and, at the moment, we are facing that one-year challenge of a marriage. We are facing that, and I am not ashamed of that. The star was a guest on an Elmdodas and the Club on 947 radio show, where they discussed various topics, including his marriage. Relationship expert Paula Quincy, who was a consultant to Married at First Sight SA, said that while it was not the norm to unfollow your partner on social media, there could be many contributing factors. It could be something like rage or anger towards your partner over something they did. It could be insecurities and even professional jealousy, she said. Quincy said couples could agree not to follow each other or have one unfollow the other. Being in the public eye can be very exhausting. People watch your every move, and sometimes celebrities want to break from that. Somizi has always been in the public eye, but this is fairly new for Mohale, and that pressure comes with its own set of problems. Quote,